say just that such things will better get away. Land of the free.
Yo, Kinnicky, you're not gonna let this scorpion scum steal your girl, are you?
It don't really matter anyway, boys, because, she's not really my type.
Hey, say, Kinnicky, what is your type anyways?
Picture this. Long blonde hair, and she wears knee socks, and would easily be interested in any senior guy.
Wait, bro, you just described every sophomore girl at our school.
Don't be mad that the scorpions stole your girl, B-turns.
Oh, hold me back! Hold me back! I'm so mad! You made me mad. I'm calm now. You asked for this, Jose. Your strongest guy versus mine.
Alright.
Morris, you're up. Let's go.
Come on! All my guys are pretty strong, but I think, Josh Bloomfield, this guy benches 3,000 grams and he hangs with a dang camera on his back. Let's go get him. Go get him, man. Oh, man. Oh.
Kiss him.
No.
Kiss him right now. Kiss him.
Get back. Come on.
Well, you gotta figure it out right now. You're gonna just start up. It's you versus him. This is life and death. Let's get pumped on. You got this.
I'm not gonna dress it up. That one didn't go well.
Moritz, what are you doing? Seriously, what are we supposed to do? Moritz can't win a fight. Our car sucks. Seriously, what are we gonna do, guys?
What is going on?
We suck at everything.
Yeah, I can see that. You picked Morris in the fight.
We did.
Yeah, we really need to do it.
I think everyone's good.
With that, the team
The one and only. It's perfect thing. This thing is perfect.
There's no way the Scorpions are gonna beat us now.
Team is the boys baseball team. All right, now the girls softball team.
Make some noise, people. Let's
And
go.
now the track team.
Yeah!
And now the boys goal team. What about those girls golfers? And now the girls tennis team. And last but not least, the boys soccer team.
Yeah! The soccer.
All right. Is everybody ready? On my go. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, how many balls you got here? How about this boys golf team? Say something, Bert. What do you think, Bert?
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, you got it? All right. What about the boys soccer team? How much you guys got? Really, how much you got? 21. All right, what about the boys baseball team?
52.
All right. No, okay. Oh, the guys don't look good. Oh, okay, no one's beating that. Oh, this looks pretty close. What about the boys golf team?
52.
Oh, well, we got a tie. Oh, what about the track team? 55.
Yeah!
And the winner is the track team.
Yeah!
You guys know that the money from here, Lake Female High School, is going to a village in Ghana, Africa, in order to supply If it's not there and I see it at the fair, you're a goner.
Whatever, you crazy goat.
Hey, seriously? Let's just race already.
Just hang on one second.
Seriously, Nicky, let's go. Let's start racing. You're our guy.
I really do not want to do this race. If I lose, the T-Birds are going to hate me. Oh, good. Oh my God!
Whoa. Hey, we're not that kind of man.
Nicky, dude, you're not. It was a Nerf gun, dude. Get up. Let's go. We got a race. All right. Well, guys, Kanicki's dead. Like he's dead. So looks like someone's got to fill in. Someone who's going to be able to win this race. Someone strong and powerful. I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. Come on, Jose, what are you waiting for? Let's ride!
Oh, come on.
No. We're gonna crash. No. Oh my God. Maximus! Worst horse ever! Seriously? You stupid tire! You know what, boys? Let's roll out. Let's go get some tacos. I'm done with this stuff.
And the blue! Take control! Kenny, it's your part!
I can't see.
Alright, I'll do it! And you need a man like me, but I forgot the lyrics, and that's Grease!
Cut the music. You know what? I'm really tired of being a bad kid. Tired of doing weird stuff. You guys got what I'm saying?
Jose, I just want to apologize for, we've been enemies for quite some time now, and I just really want to ask you something.
Yeah. Now what is it?
Jose, will you go to prom with me?
Thank you for the flowers, but I had different plans instead.
Oh,
Actually, I really had different plans. Roll it out, boys. Brittany Evinger, will you go to prom with me? This is the cue! This is the cue! This is the cue!
In the game, all stay friends forever.